Deforestation. Deforestation refers to the large-scale cutting down or clearing of the forest. This happens when trees are removed or burned to make space for agriculture, mining, road construction, and urban development. Forests are very important because they provide habitat for wildlife, help clean the air, regulate the climate, and absorb carbon dioxide, which helps reduce the effects of climate change. Deforestation has a serious impact on the human population. When forests are destroyed, the risk of flooding and landslide increases because there are no tree roots to absorb rainwater and hold the soil together. It also affects the supply of clean air and fresh water. And additionally, fewer trees mean more carbon dioxide remains in the atmosphere, causing global temperatures to rise. This leads to stronger storms, longer droughts, and extreme weather conditions that affects people's health, livelihoods, and food security. Many harmful human activities contribute to deforestation. These include illegal logging, slash and burn farming, mining operation, and uncontrolled expansion of cities and industries. As these activities continue, natural resources are slowly depleted and biodiversity is reduced. Nice one. To preserve and restore forests, we must promote reforestation, which means planting trees to replace those that have been cut down. Governments should strictly enforce law against illegal logging. Sustainable land use practice should always be encouraged to balance development and environmental protection. Education and awareness are important so that more people understand the value of forests. In conclusion, we have a role to play in protecting our environment. We can start by supporting environmental programs, planting trees, and using natural resources responsibly. If we protect our forests today, we are protecting our future tomorrow. And thank you.